Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and welcome to a very quick and slightly chaotic OwlCrate unboxing. So this is for the month of April and this is actually going to be my last OwlCrate unboxing for a minute because I'm actually canceling my subscription. I'm really trying to take a very good hard look at the amount of money and product I am spending when I'm book buying, and things like book boxes where I really don't ever use like 90% of the things in these boxes except for the books. It's just such a waste of money, and these have like raised in price to almost $50. Like, the products have definitely improved since I first started getting these, so it makes sense, but spending $50 a month on essentially one book doesn't really make much sense to me. Also, sorry, my roommate's vacuuming. So let's go ahead. With that being said, I am really excited to unbox this. I do love these boxes and I think they are really great. I'm just kind of deciding to reevaluate my book buying choices. More to come on that in another video very soon. So let's go ahead and, with that being said, dive into the box. Well, I can pretty much already guess what the book is going to be from this month already by the lovely, gorgeous art card for this month. This does have the spoilers, of course, on it, so I'm not going to look at it right this second, but as we dig into everything, we will take a look. But I can pretty much put money on what I think the book is this month, which I'm actually excited about. I haven't gotten it, or previously ordered it or anything like that, so I'm excited. But the first thing in here for this month is Coffee Grounds, which is a cinnamon OwlCrate exclusive in cinnamon hazelnut, and it's called Spectacular. Like, look at that. That's beautiful. So I can't really smell it. The packaging seems pretty thick, but love that. Okay, next we have something, let's see. This is challenge your fellow fiction-loving friends with categories designed just for bookworms. Readers will need to rack their bookish brains to score points in this fast-paced game of literary lists. It's called Etc. from OwlCrate. That's super cool. Hold on, I want to see what this is. Go. All right, so this is the box with the cute little books. Okay. So let's see. Okay, cool. So this is the game. It looks like you can just fill in the answers in these top few cards, and then you get things like categories, and you have to come up with books or characters or books set in other countries, books with bookish like colors in them. That's super cool. Books you've read this year. That's awesome. That's actually really cute. I really like that, actually. Okay, next we have something in a pencil type box, and it says the stars incline us, they do not bind us, and then the other side says something, I think that's in Latin. I could be very wrong about that. I apologize if I am. And this is, oh wow, oh, these are chopsticks. Look at that. Those are beautiful, and they say the Scarlet Gang on them. I don't know what that's from. If I look at the spoiler, it could probably tell me, but it's a set of 2 chopsticks. How cool is that? So it's the White Flowers and the Scarlet Gang, which, if I look at my spoiler card, let's see. Chopsticks from These Violent Delights. Super cool. Next, we have something here that says history has its eyes on you. And this is, what is this? I don't know. Oh, it's a phone card holder, right? With like one of those little ring things on it. I think that's what this is. That's cool. How cute. Yeah, so it's like putting your like credit cards and stuff or IDs in there, and like you stick it to the back of your phone. That's awesome. That's super cute. And obviously it's from Hamilton. I already know that. Okay, next we have, of course, the gorgeous big pin this month, which looks like it has a necklace, a book, a waterfall, and a mirror in the 4 little quadrants. Super pretty. And the last item before we get to the book in the box this month looks like a pillowcase, which they've done a few of these over the years. And this is the pillowcase. It says, "Conquer your fear and you can conquer the world." Super cute. Okay, and of course the book for this month, which I figured it would be, is Witches Steeped in Gold by Sian Smart. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so obsessed with it. I don't really know how they changed the cover. Let's take a look in the little booklet and see. Okay, so it looks like they changed the color, not much, like, can you guys tell much of a difference? So it looks like the original background cover color was green, and this one it looks like is more of like a black and brown. Like they changed the leaf colors, it looks like. So not a huge difference, to be honest. I think I actually like the original cover a little bit more with the green. I think it just all pops a little bit more. But yeah, super pretty overall. I've heard good things about this. It's a chunk of a book. And this is, I think, an African-inspired like witch tale. So yeah, super excited about this. Can't wait to read it. Alright friends, so that is everything I got this month in the April OwlCrate unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you soon with some new videos. See you in the next one. Bye!